Talofa or Lor-u ingoa, Johnny. My name is Johnny. Get your lavalava on. It's Samoan Language Week.
And Talofa lava WINTON SCHOOL, Lor-u ingoa Hunter. My name is Hunter. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rahina the 30th of May.
Okay, let's start the week with the tidy class news. Can we have a drum roll, please?
Rooms 11, 12 and 13.
Score. Keep your classes tidy and you might be eating pizza for lunch in the last week of the term.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is puka-puka, which is te reo for book.
As in fuddy puka-pooka, which means house of books.
That's puka-puka, which is te reo for book.
And speaking of puka-puka, here is the fuddy puka-puka news.
The House of Books, aka the library, will be open tomorrow at 12:45 for returns, browsing and issues.
Kapai, high vis vest. Most people are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Health and safety news. Bikes and scooters. Everyone must walk them within the school grounds. Kia ora.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Hockey news. Winton Leopards, please meet at the library steps at 12:45.
All other year 0s to 5s hockey players meet on the new basketball court at 12:45. Kia ora.
Powers news. No powers today. The Year 7s are busy with self-defence and young leaders in Dunedin.
Birthday news. None today at Winton School, but on this day in 1959, the Auckland Harbour Bridge opened.
Making her 57 years old. And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kei te apopo. See you tomorrow.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay off the grass, Winton School.